Characters in science fiction like Doctor Who are always traveling through other dimensions, but it now seems that other dimensions may be science fact rather than science fiction. We now have reason to believe that spacetime may have more than the 3 dimensions of space and 1 dimension of time that we experience.
If there are more dimensions, why can't we move in them as we can in the 3 spatial dimensions that we know exist and the 4th dimension of time?
Why don't we see these extra dimensions? Why can't we move in more directions than forwards or backwards, sideways, and up or down? The answer may be that we live in a brain world. Here brain is spelled B-R-A-N-E. It means a membrane or surface in a larger space. Brains are the brainchild of my colleague, Paul Townsend, at Cambridge. The idea is that matter and light would be confined to the brain. Thus we could not travel through, or even see, the extra dimensions. However, we would feel them, because gravity would spread through the extra dimensions, from shadow brains that we cannot see. There could be shadow galaxies, shadow stars, and even shadow people, who might wonder about the gravity they feel from matter on our brain. To us, such shadow objects would appear to be dark matter, matter that can't be seen, but whose gravity can be felt.
Can you give us an idea of how this brain world would work?
The formation of a brain world would be like the appearance of bubbles of steam in boiling water. Fluctuations in the vacuum would cause brain worlds to appear from nothing as bubbles. The brain would form the surface of the bubble, and the interior would be the higher dimensional space. Very small bubbles would tend to collapse again to nothing, but a bubble that grew by quantum fluctuations beyond a certain critical size would be likely to keep on growing. People, such as us, living on the brain, the surface of the bubble, would think the universe was expanding. It would be like painting galaxies on the surface of a balloon and blowing it up.